Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML versus XHTML, and right now we'll be discussing about XHTML elements must always be in lowercase. In XHTML element names must always be in lowercase like this. This lowercase body tag and the page tag is looking nice. We are having opening and closing them. We close them nicely, but this one at the bottom here is not looking nice because the body tag is having capital letter. So this one is in higher case capital letter. So I'm going to show you how all this works now quickly. Back to our document. We are having this in our previous tutorial. You can check our HTML versus XML playlist so you can be able to follow along. Now let's get back to our document. Let me remove all this. Or what I want to do is the body tag, right? This body tag now, let's say for instance now we are having this capital letter body tag. It's going to give you a wrong answer. It's not going to work. It's going to say problem because the body tag, that's why we are having the body tag, but it is not small letter. It's going to give you an error. That's what we had. As you can see, it's supposed to give an error. As you can see, this is not giving an error now as we have tried it. So maybe the update right here, but one thing happens, the error happens. If you notice very well, I'm going to show you how I know that there is an error here. So let me show you something now. When we reload this, can you see all these pages, the margins right here disappears when we use capital letter? That's what I want to show you. That's where the errors comes from. Let me show you very well. As you can see, you guys can be seeing this right here. Look at this place and this place. As you can see, the left and your right is having margins, right? So let's now give it capital letter. Can you see our body tag is now having capital letter, right? Let's reload it. Definitely our body tag is not working anymore. So that is the problem. Let's say our h1 tag right is capital letter h1. It's not going to work. We're going to see, instead of having all the styling, all this one will disappear. It will be normal. Can you see? It's no more working normal it's no more working as our normal h1 tag again. So that's what I want to show you guys. Make sure you practice, because practice make perfect. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time.